Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you nutritious and delicious recipes to help manage your diabetes. Today, we have a fantastic meal prep plan for you. Here are 7 recipes that will make your week healthy and hassle-free. Let's get started. Our first recipe is a colorful vegetable stir-fry. Simply chop up your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. Sauté them in a pan with a little olive oil, garlic, and low-sodium soy sauce. This dish is packed with fiber and nutrients to help stabilize blood sugar levels. Next up, we're making a protein-packed quinoa salad. Cook the quinoa according to package instructions, and then mix it with diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and feta cheese. Drizzle with lemon juice and olive oil for a tangy dressing. Quinoa is a great alternative to white rice, as it has a lower glycemic index. For our third recipe, we have baked chicken breast. Season your chicken with herbs and spices of your choice, then bake it in the oven until it's cooked through. This lean protein option is perfect for meal prepping, as you can use it in various dishes throughout the week. Now, let's make a flavorful salmon fillet. Rub some garlic, lemon zest, and dill onto your salmon. Then, grill or bake it until it flakes easily. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. For a quick and easy lunch option, prepare a salad jar. Layer your container with mixed greens, roasted veggies, and a lean protein like grilled chicken or tofu. Top it off with a light dressing. These salad jars are convenient to grab for a nutritious meal on the go. On a chilly evening, cozy up with our 6th recipe, lentil soup. In a large pot, sauté onions and garlic until fragrant. Add lentils, carrots, celery, and vegetable broth. Simmer until the lentils are tender. This soup is packed with fiber and plant-based protein, helping to keep blood sugar in check. Lastly, we have a refreshing fruit salad. Slice up your favorite fruits such as strawberries, oranges, and kiwis. Mix them together in a bowl, and if desired, squeeze some lime juice for an extra zing. This sweet treat is a perfect dessert or snack option, and there you have it. 7 delicious and diabetes-friendly recipes for your meal prep. With these pre-made meals, you'll have a healthy option readily available, saving you time and effort throughout the week. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed these recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more diabetes-friendly meal ideas. Take care of your health, and we'll see you next time.